Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing some Dollar Tree organization ideas. I got a ton of Dollar Tree organization products. I'm going to be showing you how I would use them all, give you guys some ideas for organization on a budget. And also I got some new glasses. As you guys can tell, I still haven't decided if I like them yet. I'm just going to have to wear them for a little while, but I'm seeing that there's a little bit of glare from the window on my glasses, so hopefully that doesn't bother you. Okay, so I turned the camera. I think that's going to help a little bit with the glare. But before we get started with this video, I wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Tote Cashback. So Tote Cashback is a website and an app, and it's a way for you to save money every time you shop online. A percentage of your purchase is returned to you as a cashback rebate when you complete your purchase with any of their merchants, and they have over 4,000 merchants on their website. They have JCPenney's, Walgreens, Dollar Tree, and it's super easy to sign up with Tote Cashback. You just have to enter in your email and make a password, and it is free, of course, so that is awesome. So right now on Tote Cashback, it says that I can get 4% cash back at Dollar Tree, which was awesome for purchasing all of these items. And Tote Cashback is super easy to use. You just have to click the deal, get cash back, and it'll just take you over to Dollar Tree, and then you can start shopping. So with my link down below for Tote Cashback, you can get $10 back when you spend $25. So definitely go down and click that link, sign up for Tote Cashback, and start saving money. And thank you again to Tote Cashback for sponsoring this video. And now we are going to get straight into all of the organization ideas. The first items that I grabbed at Dollar Tree are these two baskets. This one is more of a flexible basket and it has handles, and this one just has one big handle. My first idea for these was toys. These would be great to organize toys in your kids' bedrooms, and they're the perfect size that the kids can carry them. And the great thing about this one, if they have their toys stored in here in their bedroom and they want to take them out and play with them in the living room, they can just carry them out there with this little handle. Then it makes it easy to clean up the toys and take them back to their bedroom, because they can just put them back all in this basket, carry them back there. These would also be great for storage in the pantry. I'm sure that you could come up with tons of ideas for these. These are just great little baskets to have on hand. Also, I forgot to mention that I want you guys to leave comments down below of how you would use these items. Maybe you have an idea for each item or just one specific item. Last time I filmed this Dollar Tree organization video, you guys gave tons of great ideas down in the comments. I loved reading through them, and it also gave everybody else some great ideas too, so definitely share all of your ideas for these products down below. The next item is this metal over the door hook, and they also have one of these that you can screw into the wall, and they're only $1. There's a ton of ideas that you could come up with for these, but I think the best one is like to hang it on the back of your closet door, and then you could put all of your coats on here, or all of your purses. You could put long necklaces, you could put belts, or you could put it over the back of the bathroom door and hang towels on it. There's just so many great uses for these. These next items are called drawer organizers, and when I saw that they had this size of them, I knew I had to grab more than one, so I grabbed 3 of them. I probably could use more because my kitchen drawers are so unorganized, and last time I went to the Dollar Tree, they had these, but they only had the skinny ones that are like half this size, and I wanted some of these bigger ones, so I'm glad that they had them this time. But these are only $1 a piece. These are great quality containers for organizing drawers, and the bottom of them is rubber. So I'm going to be using these to organize my kitchen drawers, so I'll be putting like measuring cups, measuring spoons, whisks, all different kinds of things like that in here. You could also use these in a desk drawer for pens. This would be the perfect size for pens, pencils, tape. Next, I got this little Tote Caddy. It has a handle on it, and this would be perfect to keep your cleaning supplies that you use on a daily basis in here, or a weekly basis, just so that you can easily grab it out of the cabinet, carry it with you as you're cleaning. You could also use this for school supplies or art supplies for the kids. You could keep markers, crayons, scissors, all the things that they need to do crafts with, and then you could just keep it in a closet, pull it out, and set it on the table when they're ready to use them. I grabbed one of these little containers. These are perfect for organizing your desk or your junk drawer, and they have a bunch of different sizes of these. I have several of these in my junk drawer in the kitchen, and it's helped me to keep it organized for like the past 2 years, and they still have these there. They have them in all different colors and sizes. This next item I grabbed is called Stack Them Up, and I just kind of grabbed this one and stuck it in the cart. I was starting to get in a hurry, and I realized now that I have at home that you're supposed to stack these, so I should have gotten more so that I could show you how you can stack them, but you pretty much get the idea. You could just stack these one on top of another. And the first idea that I had for these was to stack a bunch of these up, and then you could keep all of the little toys in here in your kids' rooms. You could even put a little label on each of them that says what toys they're supposed to keep in each bin. You could put like all of their little cars, their little army men, all of the smaller things could stay organized in these with labels. I also grabbed 2 of these rectangular black baskets. They also have round baskets like these, and I have 4 of those round baskets in my laundry room, and I really love them, so I decided to grab some of the rectangular ones. And you could use these for just about anything. These would be great in a pantry. You could tie little labels on them to say what is in here. You could keep snacks in one, granola bars in one. You could just have a whole line of these in the pantry. And these would look really great lined up in a pantry. Nobody would ever guess that you only paid $1 for them. This next little fabric container is called the Essential Storage Container. You could use these just about anywhere in your pantry, in your dresser drawers. In your dresser, you could have like all of your smaller items stored in here. And if you have shelves in your closet, you can keep a bunch of these on your shelves to put like belts, sunglasses, whatever in there. Next thing that I got is this 3-pack of these gray organizer baskets. These would be great in a bathroom drawer just to keep all of your little bathroom items like bobby pins, hair clips, tweezers, all that small stuff. I got 2 of these little jars. This one is plastic and this one is actually glass, and this is a nice little glass jar for only $1. Of course, the first thing that came to mind for these was to have them as little candy jars. Or you could use these in your pantry for storage. You could keep like mini chocolate chips in here, nuts. You could fit a little label on the front of these. The next thing that I picked up is this clear acrylic organizer, and I bought this because I thought it would be the perfect size to keep essential oils in. So we're gonna open this up and see if I can fit some essential oil bottles in here. It's like a staircase tier organizer with all these little compartments, and then it has this wider compartment here at the top. You could fit quite a few bottles of essential oils in this. Next, I grabbed this jumbo blanket storage bag. I've got tons of blankets in my linen closet, so if this works, that would be awesome to keep some of my blankets in. Here's what it looks like, and first thoughts, I'm not overly impressed with this because this material, you could just barely poke or pull on this and it's gonna break. As long as it doesn't rip, you could probably fit pretty many blankets in here. It's got a zipper around the top. We will give this a try and see how good it works. Okay, so the very last item that I got is also that Essentials brand, and this one is a collapsible storage container. It's 10.5 inches tall and 11 inches wide. This is actually a pretty big storage container. I mean, containers this size at Target are like $5 and this one's only $1. So I would use these to store kids' toys in, and if you don't have a dresser for your kids or baby clothes, then you could also use these to store their clothes in. Put them on the shelves in your closet, or if you have one of those storage cubes, you can keep them in there and keep their clothes in there. Of course, these would be great in a pantry. You could tie some little labels onto these handles and keep snacks in these or bags of chips. So that is all of the Dollar Tree organizational items and ideas that I have for you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. All you have to do is click the red subscribe button down below, and be sure that you click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. And you can also head over and follow me on my Instagram if you want. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home. Also, don't forget to click the link down below for top cashback, and you could get $10 cashback when you spend $25 or more. And I will see you guys in a few days with a new video. Bye!